Why, hello there, and welcome to Walt Disney World's Blizzard Beach. Blizzard Beach is one of two water parks here. I've been to this water park a long time ago, very long time ago. But we got the little guy. We're gonna check things out and see what we can do. I don't know how much time we're actually gonna spend here, how many slides we're gonna go on, but Blizzard Beach. So yeah, let's go. Look at this cute little family. They're melting. Oh my goodness. Welcome to Blizzard Beach. There's nowhere else like it. So it looks like there's a decent amount to do. I am particularly excited for this lazy river that goes all the way around. And then I've done Summit Plummet, that giant slide towering over the park. That's the very tall slide. There's also looks like a chairlift. Hopefully that's running over here. There's no wait time for it, so I hope that's just because they don't have a wait time, but that will be exciting. Randy is a fish! And we're here in the lazy river, raftless. We're gonna try and find one, because I do want to just float. But we gotta find a raft. Ooh, the spooky cave. Grim ghosts come out to socialize. Over here at Reindeer Landing, they have tons.
You're good. We got you.
Tons of tubes over there.
All right.
Tube acquired. It's lazy time. Something's wrong with the snow machine. It's only spitting out water. Behind yellow line. Ready? Here it comes. And sit.
Whoa. That was a little wicked there.
Here it comes. Watch your head.
I didn't expect that. Why is it bouncing?
Because we're in the middle of this cable. Right in the center of the longest section here, so we're bouncing up and down a little bit. Look at Summit Plummet up there. There's a clock right there. We were wondering what time it was. Oh no, the skis fell.
And immediately head off to your adventure.
Why can't we go down?
You're just not allowed to go down.
Please keep your feet clear as you approach the unload area.
Keep your feet clear. Good. Keep going. Don't run over. You almost ran us over. And they put a lot of temporary equipment in for all the snow. A little tough to see with the GoPro because it makes it look further away than what it really is, but if you look from left to right, the three things poking up out of the tree line here, we got Pandora, so we got some floating rocks on the left. In the center you can see the top of the Tree of Life, and all the way on the right, the very obvious one is Expedition Everest. That's the Animal Kingdom over there. When you think snow, Joe Blow Snow Company. Think Joe Blow. Why am I going backwards the whole time? Caution, snow drift ahead. Looks like it's Skidoo.
That was super fun. Let's go again.
Come on! Woo! Come on!
This guy right here is running into the wave pool. Go ahead, run. Go ahead. Go, go, go. Run. You can run in. Go ahead, run in. Go, run. Run. Baywatch shot. Go. That is the slowest run ever. So as you're walking on this pavement, it's very hot. And then they have these sprinklers that are the exact opposite. They're quite chilly. Over here in this corner, we got some racers. Winner in the left lane. It actually times you too. No, left lane. It's like if you're going down. It's like if you're looking at a car, the left side is always the driver's side. So you're going down the slide, that's the left lane. I'm assuming that's how that works at least. It actually times you. The guy on the right, 6 point. Oh, it went away right when I was gonna read it. Bummer. So you can climb up to the red slope from here for Runoff Rapids. We are right there. The Runoff Rapids come out over there. Definitely no shortage of slides here. Check these guys out. There's even a little observation sitting area where you can wait for the participating parties. It's very nice too, these tubes. There's a tube drop off, so you don't have to carry it all the way to the summit. It's nice. I do like the little details in the cave here. We're back in the Lazy River Cave. This is where we started the day. So over on the other side, it's a little tough to see from here, but they have some like old pottery and remnants of an ancient civilization here in the snowy hills of Florida. There's also some cave drawings over here by the waterfall. Right there on the cave wall, you can see the drawings of cavemen and women. Side note, this waterfall here is supposed to be like the snow melting off of the mountain. So the water, oh, that guy, I don't want to show him, but he just got destroyed by this waterfall, and that was cold. So that's what I was just talking about. Oh, he's back in it. Oh my goodness, all right, we're gonna show him. He's back in, oh, he's going under again. So the Lazy River water is warm because it's heated, and that water is like ice cold. On the green slope, it's Summit, Plummet, Slush Gusher, and Team Boat Springs. We did the Team Boat Springs twice. The Runoff Rapids looks fun as well. Got snow machine spraying the slopes. Make sure there's enough snow out here, because it is melting quickly. It was a little chilly when we got here, but it is rapidly getting very hot under that Florida sun. Don't drop the drink. You'll hit a skier right in the head. Don't drop it. That is one heck of a slide. You can opt to take the ski lift up, or you can take the long way and take these stairs. We've done this a few times today. Whew, what a workout. But it is worth it, because this is quite the view. So we're actually standing at the base of the slope jump from Summit Plummet. So this is a high slide. I think it said it was 120 feet. I was trying to convince the little man to go. He denied. He went to the wave pool instead. I'm waiting to see someone come down here, because look how steep this is. That's a terrible sun glare there. There we go. I can kind of block it with my hand. There we go. Woo! My goodness. That's like, oh, I just got wet. That's like a full out free fall. Look at the view here though. So if you look straight ahead, direct center of the screen, you can see the Hollywood Tower Hotel. That is over at Hollywood Studios. You can see the Swan and Dolphin hotels in the center of the screen now. And beyond that, there's kind of, if you look on that part that's pitched, that's coming up out of the green there. I hate pointing, but if we look right back there, that is Guardians of the Galaxy over there in Epcot. Can't see Spaceship Earth from here, not quite high enough, and can't quite see, you can see from this line, you're actually a little higher when you're in that line, you can see Animal Kingdom, but this is a really cool view. Gonna grab some skis and go down the summit. That would be one heck of a ride. It's awesome. Up top here we have another set of racing slides. We're waiting for them to clear the path. Come on, get away from the slide. Little one down there, get away from the slide. There we go. All right. And on your mark, get set. Go! We have a clear leader out in front. He's definitely gonna win. Looks fun. Whee! Whee! There's the wave pool right down there. A couple different options as far as slides. I think these were those racers that we were just looking at. These are all racers on this slope. We also have this very convenient bench and water fountain for after you make the hike all the way up here. Once you reach the peak, you have your choice of 3 different rides at the very top here. We have Mount Gushmore, and then Summit, Plummet, and Slush Gusher. All of which equally look fun. I'm a little lower elevation right now, but if you look straight, you can actually see the Aerophile, which is over at Disney Springs there as well. Walking up to this cave sounds so ominous. So the wave pool is right behind these rocks. I don't know if you can hear that. I think that's the wave machine working. Ooh, makes the cave seem creepy. All changed now, and we have to be careful because these sprinklers will now affect me if I step in its path. It's about time to go. But first, like every amusement park attraction, we must exit through the gift shop. Bermuda. And that way is Frost Angeles and Burbank. Here we have some souvenir coins, some Blizzard Beach pennies. I was trying to record the pennies and my phone got a little too close to this. It was trying to make me pay again. What the heck? What do we got?
Oh, I can't see. Hang on.
What do you got in there?
There, now they're facing you.
All right, so we got... They're too blurry.
I can see them.
We got some Blizzard Beach pennies. In the crushed form. And we have Sunny's sleds over here. We'd love toboggan with you. Buy now, slay later. Low, low miles. Don't get too many miles on those things down here. And that is gonna do it for our day here at Blizzard Beach. That was pretty fun. We didn't do a lot of the slides, but we did some of them. We spent a lot of time in the lazy river. I like that lazy river. Went all the way around. Love it. That's gonna do it. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe to the channel. We do lots of filming locations, travel videos, and random things like this from time to time. And until next time, be good, have fun, and learn something.
Red means stop, yellow means slow down, green means go. So let's go all over this town.